Have you ever wondered why sunflowers are so universally loved and admired? Sunflowers are more than just an enchanting blend of tall stalks and bright yellow petals. They carry a wealth of symbolism that has been cherished across various cultures and traditions. Known for their unwavering pursuit of the sun, sunflowers have become a symbol of warmth and positivity. They rise each day to greet the sun, embodying resilience and strength, reflecting the power of life itself. In the language of flowers, sunflowers signify adoration, a nod to their solar namesake. Their vibrant colour and striking presence have earned them a place in art, literature and folklore, where they are often depicted as emblems of joy and longevity. From ancient Greek mythology to modern-day pop culture, these radiant blooms have etched their symbolism deep into the fabric of human expression. So, next time you see a sunflower, remember, it's more than just a pretty face. But what makes a sunflower a sunflower? A great question indeed. Sunflowers belong to the genus Helianthus, a term stemming from the Greek words helios, meaning sun, and anthos, meaning flower. Their biological features are quite distinctive, making them easily recognizable. They stand tall, often towering over other plants thanks to their sturdy stalks. Atop these stalks sit large flower heads adorned with bright yellow petals that can't help but remind you of the sun. But there's more to these petals than just their sunny appearance. They play a crucial role in attracting pollinators, aiding in the production of seeds. Speaking of seeds, sunflowers are quite the seed factories. Each flower head can house up to 2,000 seeds, nestled in a beautiful, spiraling pattern. These seeds are not only a favourite amongst birds, but also serve as the starting point for the next generation of sunflowers. Sunflowers are truly a marvel of nature, aren't they? Did you know there's more than one type of sunflower? That's right! The sunflower family is much more diverse than you might imagine. Traditional tall varieties, like the American giant, can reach staggering heights of up to 16 feet, making them a dramatic addition to any landscape. On the other end of the spectrum, we have dwarf sunflowers, such as the little Becker or Pacino, standing proudly at just 2 to 3 feet tall. These compact cultivars are perfect for containers or small gardens. Then, there are branching sunflowers like Autumn Beauty, which produce multiple flower heads on each plant, offering a longer display of vibrant colour. And let's not forget about coloured sunflowers. Varieties like Choco Sun or Strawberry Blonde break away from the classic yellow, introducing hues of red, orange and even brown into their petals. So whether you have a sprawling garden or a tiny balcony, there's a sunflower for you. Want to grow your own sunflower garden? We have some tips for you. First, pick a sunny spot. Sunflowers love direct sunlight, requiring 6 to 8 hours daily. The soil should be well draining and rich in organic matter. You can enrich the soil with well-rotted compost or manure. When it comes to planting, space the seeds about 6 inches apart at a depth of 1 to 2 inches. Water the seeds well after planting and continue watering deeply once a week. As for fertilizing, a balanced fertilizer applied once a month does wonders. But remember, too much nitrogen can lead to lots of leaves and few flowers. Now, let's talk pests. Slugs, snails and birds can be problematic. Consider pest control methods such as bird netting or slug traps to protect your plants. With these tips, you'll have a thriving sunflower garden in no time. Imagine standing in a field of sunflowers, as far as the eye can see. Picture the vibrant hues of yellow and gold swaying gently in the breeze, under a clear blue sky. These are not mere figments of your imagination, but real, breathtaking landscapes found around the world. Take, for instance, the sunflower fields of Tuscany. Here, the sunflowers stand tall and proud, their golden heads turned towards the sun, creating a mesmerizing sea of yellow against the backdrop of Tuscany's rolling hills. Then there's Provence, where sunflower fields stretch out under the warm Provençal sun, transforming the landscape into a living, breathing work of art. And let's not forget the American Midwest, where vast expanses of sunflowers paint the plains in a golden hue, a testament to the region's agricultural richness. These sunflower landscapes, each unique yet equally enchanting, are a celebration of nature's beauty and bounty. Aren't these sunflower landscapes just breathtaking? Sunflowers have inspired artists and poets for centuries. They've captured the imagination of great painters like Vincent van Gogh, whose Sunflowers series is perhaps one of the most renowned in Western art. These vibrant works of art, with their bold yellows and expressive brushstrokes, encapsulate the sunflower's vitality and beauty. Claude Monet, too, found inspiration in these golden blooms, incorporating them into his landscapes to create a sense of warmth and serenity. In literature, sunflowers have been used as symbols of unwavering faith and constancy. They have graced the verses of poets, symbolizing loyalty and deep admiration, drawing parallels to their nature of always turning towards the sun. In mythology and religious symbolism, sunflowers are often associated with the sun gods, embodying light, truth, and the cycle of life. Sunflowers truly are muses for the creative mind, leaving an indelible mark on our cultural expressions and continuing to inspire and delight us with their timeless charm. Want to celebrate sunflowers in all their glory? Join a festival. Every year, sunflower enthusiasts worldwide gather to honor these radiant blooms at events that are as diverse as the sunflower varieties themselves. Let's take a journey around the globe to some of these vibrant celebrations. In the heartland of America, Kansas, the annual Sunflower Festival is a sight to behold. The air buzzes with excitement as people come together to admire the towering sunflower fields, participate in sunflower-themed contests, and even learn about sunflower cultivation. Halfway across the world, Russia hosts the National Sunflower Festival. This event is a grand spectacle, showcasing Russia's love for sunflowers through music, dance, and art. It's a cultural immersion that leaves every visitor with a deeper appreciation for these sunny blooms. From local community gatherings to major national events, sunflower festivals offer a unique way to celebrate the beauty and significance of these flowers. So which sunflower festival will you be attending? But sunflowers aren't just beautiful, they're also sustainable crops. These bright and cheerful plants play a significant role in agriculture and the economy. Sunflowers are cultivated worldwide for their seeds and oil, both of which are used in a variety of products from cooking oil to animal feed, making them an important source of income for many farmers. But the benefits of sunflowers extend beyond their economic value. They're known to play a critical role in crop rotation, helping to break disease cycles and improve soil health. Their deep, robust roots help improve soil structure and fertility, making them a valuable ally in sustainable farming practices. Sunflowers also promote biodiversity by serving as a habitat for a variety of wildlife. Birds in particular are drawn to sunflower fields, where they can feast on the plentiful seeds. So, the next time you admire a field of sunflowers, remember that these plants are doing more than just brightening up the landscape. Who knew sunflowers could be so beneficial to our environment? Let's not forget about the nutritional powerhouse that is the sunflower seed. These small but mighty kernels are loaded with health benefits, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Bursting with protein, they're a fantastic plant-based source of this essential nutrient, but that's not all. Sunflower seeds also pack a punch when it comes to healthy fats, particularly those heart-friendly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated ones. Moving on to the vitamin and mineral content, sunflower seeds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and they're rich in several essential minerals like magnesium and selenium. Now, aren't these reasons enough to start munching on sunflower seeds? But if you're wondering how to incorporate them into your meals, here are a few quick ideas. Toss them into your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on your salad, or just roast them for a crunchy snack. So, go ahead. Sprinkle some sunflower seeds on your salad or snack on them during the day. Feeling crafty? Let's create some sunflower-inspired crafts. Unleash your creativity with these sunflower-themed projects that are as delightful as they are easy to make. First on our list is the sunflower wreath. A vibrant addition to any front door, this craft requires nothing more than a wreath base, some artificial sunflower heads, and a hot glue gun. Next, let's venture into the world of floral arrangements. With sunflower petals as your canvas, you can create stunning centerpieces that radiate warmth and positivity. For those who love home decor, try your hand at making sunflower wall art. Use sunflower seeds to create textured pieces that will surely turn heads. Finally, surprise your loved ones with handmade sunflower gifts. Be it a bookmark or a keychain, a dash of sunflower magic can make your presents extra special. With these DIY projects, you can have sunflowers all year round. Wow, we've covered a lot about sunflowers today, haven't we? We've delved into the rich symbolism of sunflowers, representing warmth, positivity, and adoration across various cultures and traditions. We've explored the fascinating biology of these radiant blossoms, from their tall stalks and large flower heads to their crucial role in pollination and seed production. We've discovered a world of sunflower varieties and cultivars, each with their own unique charm and growing requirements. We've shared practical advice on sunflower cultivation, from soil preparation to pest management. We've journeyed through breathtaking sunflower fields and landscapes around the globe and appreciated their depiction in art and literature. We've highlighted vibrant sunflower festivals and discussed the sustainable and economic benefits of these magnificent plants. We've also dived into the nutritional goodness of sunflower seeds and inspired creativity with DIY sunflower-themed crafts and projects. So, whether you're a gardener, a nature lover, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of sunflowers, I hope you've learned something new today. Until next time, keep blooming.